Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Hoover washing machine, a 1300 spin HPE236. We're going to throw a car bottle jack into it. Got a load of treasures here to throw into washing machines today, and for this video it's going to be this bottle jack. Nice and heavy at the bottom, strange shape. Hoping it won't fly out. We'll find out. Let's go. was more like it, huh? Oh yeah, she's properly cream crackered. Well, that Hoover put up far more of a fight than I was expecting. It took a car jack, a little manhole cover, an iron. You know, it's done alright for itself. It did a bit of a dance for us too. That's what we like to see. So that's the HPE Hoover HPE236 washing machine. I've got the power plugged out over here, and I'm just going to have a look at what went wrong with it. I can't quite fathom why it stopped working. It's jumped off its springs, so we've lost both of the springs. One's down here on the ground and the other's underneath the machine, I think. Top came off. That was the first thing to happen. This hose is loose. Because it's off the springs, it's dropped down, so it's probably resting on the motor. It definitely lost power rather than the belt coming off, because if the belt had come off, we would have heard the motor spinning. So because it stopped spinning, I'm guessing it's a fault of electricity to the motor. Don't think we tripped the switch. I think it's still okay. So let's get it over on its side. Oop, resting on the door. And let's see. Power cables appear intact. So, oh, yeah, but that cable's taken a fairly good mashing, so we might have damaged the power cable to the motor. It looks like it's taken quite a whack pounding. The pump is broken, so that's the plastic bit that should be attached to the pump, so that must have taken a pounding from the concrete block there. There's one of the springs. Wow, it's stuck in and left its mark on the bottom of the machine. The motor's given the metal here a pounding. I'll see if I can get this one to run again, because it seems a good robust device. If it does, we'll put it up in another video, so keep an eye out. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.